Ever feel like your service business is running you instead of the other way around? You're juggling schedules, chasing payments, and trying to remember where you left that specific wrench last Tuesday. It's a whirlwind, right? You're not alone. In the trades, whether you're plumbing, HVAC, electrical, or any other home service, the daily grind can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that buried within the very tools you might already be using lies a goldmine of information that could transform your operations from chaotic to streamlined? Think about it, you're likely using software to manage your jobs, schedule your team, and invoice your customers. Tools like Housecall Pro are designed to make these tasks easier. But are you truly leveraging the data these platforms generate? Or is it just data sitting there unanalyzed and untapped? Today, we're diving deep into how you can take the information within your Housecall Pro account and turn it into actionable insights that directly improve your bottom line and sanity. We're not just talking about surface-level reports. We're going to explore how to extract meaningful patterns, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately work smarter, not harder. Let's start with something fundamental: scheduling efficiency. How often do your technicians arrive late? How much travel time are you factoring into each job? Housecall Pro tracks these metrics. By consistently reviewing your job history, you can identify technicians who consistently run behind schedule. Is it a training issue? Are they being assigned jobs too far apart? The data will tell you. Furthermore, look at your travel time data. Are there certain areas where your technicians spend a disproportionate amount of time driving? This could indicate an opportunity to optimize your service areas or even strategically hire technicians who live closer to your high-demand zones. Imagine the fuel savings and the extra job you could potentially fit in each day simply by smarter scheduling. Next up, job profitability. You know how much you charge for a service, but do you truly know how much profit you're making on each type of job? Housecall Pro allows you to track the time spent on each task, the materials used, and the associated costs. By analyzing this data, you might discover that certain services, while seemingly popular, are actually eating into your profits due to longer than anticipated completion times or underestimated material costs. Conversely, you might identify highly profitable services that you could actively promote. Understanding your profit margins per service allows you to make informed decisions about pricing, service offerings, and where to focus your marketing efforts. It's about working smarter, focusing on the services that deliver the best return for your time and resources. Let's not forget about customer satisfaction. Housecall Pro often integrates with review platforms and allows you to track customer feedback. Are you consistently receiving positive reviews? Great. Analyze what those customers are praising. Is it a particular technician's professionalism? The speed of service? Use this information to reinforce best practices across your team. On the flip side, negative feedback is invaluable. Don't shy away from it. Dig into the details. What went wrong? Was it a communication issue? Problem with the repair? By identifying recurring themes in negative feedback, you can pinpoint areas in your customer service or operational processes that need attention. Addressing these issues proactively can significantly improve customer retention and your reputation. Now, let's talk about lead management and conversion. Housecall Pro tracks where your leads are coming from, whether it's your website, referrals, or other marketing channels. Which sources are generating the most leads? More importantly, which sources are generating the most profitable jobs? By analyzing your lead source data alongside your job profitability data, you can make smarter decisions about your marketing spend, focusing on the channels that deliver the best return on investment. Are you noticing a high volume of leads from a particular online directory but a low conversion rate? This might indicate a problem with your profile on that platform or the quality of the leads themselves. Conversely, a high conversion rate from referrals suggests you should encourage more word-of-mouth marketing. Beyond these core areas, delve into the performance of your individual technicians. Housecall Pro provides data on their job completion times, sales performance, if applicable, and customer satisfaction scores. This allows you to identify your top performers and understand what makes them successful. Share their best practices with the rest of your team. Conversely, if a technician consistently underperforms in certain areas, you can provide targeted training and support to help them improve. This not only benefits the individual but also elevates the overall quality of your service. Think about using this data for inventory management. If you consistently see certain parts being used frequently, you can optimize your van stock or warehouse inventory to ensure your technicians have what they need on hand, reducing trips back to the supply house and improving job completion times. Analyzing material usage per job type can also help you refine your pricing and avoid underestimating costs. Furthermore, explore the reporting features within Housecall Pro. Don't just glance at the summary dashboards. Dig deeper into the custom reports. You can often filter data by date range, service type, technician, and more. Look for trends and patterns. Are there seasonal fluctuations in demand for certain services? Understanding these trends can help you plan your staffing and marketing efforts accordingly. Consider setting key performance indicators, KPIs, for your business and regularly tracking them using your Housecall Pro data. This could include metrics like average job cost, customer satisfaction score, lead conversion rate, or technician utilization rate. By monitoring these KPIs over time, you can gauge the effectiveness of your operational changes and identify areas where you need to adjust your strategy. The beauty of using data to improve your operations is that it moves you away from guesswork and towards informed decision-making. Instead of relying on gut feeling, you have concrete evidence to support your choices. This not only leads to a more efficient and profitable business, but also reduces stress and allows you to focus on strategic growth. So, the next time you log into Housecall Pro, don't just see it as a tool for scheduling and invoicing. See it as a powerful data analytics platform that holds the key to unlocking the full potential of your service business. Take the time to explore the reports, analyze the trends, and turn that raw data into actionable insights. Your bottom line, your team, and your sanity will thank you for it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.